Very good morning, Mr.
How you doing, my brother from another mother?
I don't know why you're waiting so hard kunipigia kayamba.
Kwa nini?
Kwa sababu tunacheza ligi so.
Kati?
Uliona Chelsea vile tulifanya, tulishindwa na penalty. Bazile bao tunafunga watu.
Oh,
minimum 4.
You have found a voice now.
Minimum 4.
Oh, please.
Classic 105, Kasheshe.
Do you know Maccabi Tel Aviv?
Yeah.
It's like you're playing a Division 3 team.
Let me tell you now, Maccabi Tel Aviv si ndio Eto'o alienda. It's a very rich club.
No.
Shamaga no Maccabi. No Maccabi.
It's you went to Maccabi Haifa.
Hii ni Maccabi gani?
Tel Aviv.
Maccabi ni Maccabi. Tel Aviv iko pipeline. Do you know that desert called Tel Aviv in our 5,000?
Hi guy. Maccabi ni Maccabi.
Maccabi ni Maccabi.
Okay. Congratulations and also Kayamba to Gor Mahia by the way.
Yeah, Gor Mahia.
They did what is called the three-peat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Went it for the first time.
Yeah.
Then repeated it last year.
Yeah.
And the three-peat was achieved yesterday. Congratulations.
Yes.
15th KPL crown. Well done.
Yeah, and
well
at
done.
least atokungoa hiyo mkono ya Tomboya. I thought sasa celebrations.
You thought utangoa hiyo mkono ya Tomboya.
Yeah, because hizo flamingo washatoa miguu. Yeah, I was really worried.
No, everything went well.
Yeah.
And congratulations, Gor Mahia. Well done.
No, there's a need for a proper...
Jaro Soldier, by the way, as well. Well done. Being the #1 supporter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And there's a what?
Yue. Kuna message hapa nilitumiwa na a friend of mine called Mutanu Mwendwa. Sister Chris. Alisema ati leo nimeingia uchumi hapa Adams. Nikienda kununua chumbi, nikapatana na mwalimu wa high school mwenye alisema sita make it kwa hii life. Sasa imebidi ninunue microwave, TV, home theater, you know, kitanda. Ndio aone hakuwa anajua kitu anasema. Sasa swali, naweza uza hizi vitu OLX nipate aje pesa by kesho nilipe school fees.
Na alikuwa ameenda kununua chumvi.
Akaona mwalimu akaanza kununua kila kitu.
Just to prove him wrong.
Why?
Isaiah Kigagi, the one while oh, and now he got the 15th Jao. Happy birthday. This is a special dedication from